Hello ladies and gentlemen. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you, this goes for any subwoofers, this is not just this subwoofer. When you get a scratching, distorted sound, how to clean the contacts. Basically, I'm going to show you an example of what I'm talking about. So, here we are. You can hear. That's basically, that's bad. That needs to be cleaned. So I already removed a couple of screws here. See, look. See? It comes and goes. That's a no-no. Let's turn it off. So I remove a couple of screws, the outer screws, to lift this board up. And to get underneath this board, let me just power this off real quick. Okay. Remove the wires. Alright. So to get underneath this little board, I'm gonna have to remove these screws right here. And like I said, I will put the model number up of this subwoofer, but this is a job that you can do to any subwoofer. So I'm gonna open this up and I'll be right back. Alright, so like I told you, those 4 screws was the one to open this up. I was opening up, so now the area I want to be focusing on are these. Let me get in there. Are these 2 resistors? 1 and 2. I gotta clean those 2 up with some contact cleaner. So I'm gonna clean this up real quick. Let me show you how you do it. Okay. Once you put the spray, start moving the knobs as much as you could back and forth. So I'm gonna finish cleaning the contacts. They should be nice and loose. Listen to it real close. It's very loose. That's how you know your contacts is actually clean. So let's see if that fixed the problems. I just put in the 4 screws to hold the chassis together. That was here. Like I said, the buttons are they don't feel gummy. They're really loose. So let's try it. And let's see if we get that cracking sound again. Nope. Nope. Not at all. And that's a fix. So now that we fixed this problem, I want to show you a quick trick how to prevent from mice or other little insects, not insects, rodents. I would try to use this as a home. Simple. That's a speaker cover. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this and this screw. Okay, now she's done. As you can see, it looks much more cleaner, much better. The resistors, the volume, the gain, working perfectly. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.